and welcome to the workshop at the Concord Free Public Library. My name is Christy and I'm here today to show you how to safely operate the workshop's wood burner. Let's start with the safety notes. As the name implies, this tool gets hot. Our wood burner can reach temperatures of up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit and can cause second or third degree burns if handled improperly. Be sure to set up your workstation away from others, use the lowest possible temperature appropriate for your project, and turn the tool off immediately when not in use. In case of fire or injury, immediately call 911 and notify staff. A fire extinguisher and first aid kit are also available at the workshop's front desk. Wood burning can produce fumes and smoke, which may be harmful if inhaled or ingested. For this reason, we require the use of a tabletop fume extractor at all times when using this tool. As additional precautions, you may also want to wear safety or eyeglasses and a mask or respirator when using this tool. And a quick reminder, this is an expert maker's tool, which means each and every maker operating the machine will need to complete a safety waiver before use. Minors under the age of 18 will need a parent or guardian to help them complete this form, which you can do entirely online at cfpl.info/waiver. Additionally, makers under the age of 10 must be accompanied by another maker at least 13 years of age. Now let's talk about materials. For best results, we recommend using unfinished sanded wood crafting blanks for your wood burning projects. If this is your first time using the workshop's wood burner, you're welcome to use a few of our plywood practice squares for free, but if you're wood burning on the regular or making a larger project, we ask all makers to help us keep the workshop free and accessible to everyone by either bringing their own supplies or donating to help cover the cost of the supplies they use, about 50 cents for every 4x4 inch piece of plywood. Okay, let's get making. Choose a clear, stable space away from others to serve as your workstation and place the steel work plate within easy reach, with your crafting blank on top. If your crafting blank is very large, you can place it directly on the table. Arrange the wood burner control hub on your dominant side and plug it in. The wire tool rest can be attached to either side of the control hub. Place the wood burner tool on the wire tool rest. Now arrange a heat-safe dish, replacement wood burning tips, tip removal tongs, and the provided leather work gloves next to your work area. Finally, plug in the fume extractor and arrange the nozzle as close as possible to your project, but not so close that you'll accidentally touch it with the wood burner. Turn the dial on the fume extractor to begin filtering the air, and turn the dial on the front of the control hub to begin heating the wood burner. Allow the tool to heat for a few minutes before you get started. Hold the wood burner the same way you would a pen, and experiment with different angles and speeds to create different effects on the wood. Our wood burner comes with a variety of tips to create different effects and textures on the wood surface. If you'd like to change the tip on the wood burner, turn the heat off and place the wood burner securely in the wire rest, so you can put on the provided thick leather gloves. These will help protect your hands as you change the tip. Using two hands, use the tip removal tongs to pull the current tip out of the wood burner and drop it directly into the heat-safe dish at your workstation. Insert the new wood burning tip with the tongs, being careful to line up the slots on the tool, then place the wood burner back in the wire rest while you remove your gloves. When you're finished using the wood burner, unplug the power hub and clean up your workstation. Then check in with workshop staff to find a safe place to leave any hot components to cool. Don't return any hot wood burning tips to their plastic containers. Congratulations, you're now an expert maker. If you want to learn more about everything our wood burner can do, visit cfpl.info/woodburnermanual to review the complete manufacturer's guide to the tool. The workshop is made possible by the generous support of the Concord Free Public Library Corporation, a nonprofit organization supported by makers like you. Learn more about all the corporation does to make our library awesome and how you can help at cfplcorp.org. And if you just can't get enough making, be sure to check out the workshop's full library of maker tools at cfpl.info/workshop.